Good evening all, you are watching the news now and I'm Arsha Vasudev with the news at 5. So let's have a look with the headlines first. Army orders court of inquiry, Amit Shah expresses anguish. Crime branch produces charge sheet in fraud case. 13 teachers terminated in 2 weeks for unauthorized absence from duties. US makes it mandatory for all incoming passengers to carry negative COVID-19 test report. PV Sindhu misses out on second BWF World Tour Finals crown. And now the news in details. The Indian Army ordered a court of inquiry into the unfortunate killing of several civilians during an anti-insurgency operation in Mon district of Nagaland. Home Minister Amit Shah expressed anguish over the reported killings in Nagaland's Mon district via sources. He said that a high level of SIT constituted by the state government to probe into the matter will ensure that justice is brought to bereaved families. Mission Statehood President Sunil Dimple outrightly rejected Home Minister Amit Shah's statement. He said no restoration of J&K statehood before the election. He said statehood restoration of statehood special status, Article 370 before assembly elections is our constitutional democratic right. Article 370 PRC are our sacred documents. Assembly elections in J&K can't be held for at least 1 year. All Jammu and Kashmir Kisan Congress State General Secretary and former Jammu and Kashmir Minister Chaudhry Garu Ram organized a press conference and demanded from the government that the farmers whose land is coming in the expansion of Garana wetland, those farmers should be provided land by the government so that the farming class can continue their farming. He said, without naming that some political leaders are engaged in baking their political bread on the tissue and are misleading the farmers. The crime branch Kashmir produced a charge sheet in a fraud case against a resident of Baramulla. A statement of crime branch issued here said that the charge sheet was produced in a case under FIR number 40/2017 under section 420 of the Ranveer Penal Code of Police Station, Crime Branch, Kashmir against the accused Jitendra Singh Sodhi of Baramulla for cheating the people and graving their hard-earned money fraudulently and deceitfully on the promise of providing government jobs to them. The School Education Department has terminated 13 teachers from their services in the last 2 weeks for prolonged unauthorized absence from their duties in schools. Following the termination of 6 teachers last week for their unauthorized absence, the J&K School Education Department has sacked 7 more teachers from their services. The termination orders have been issued by the Director of School Education Kashmir pursuant to the decision of the committee in terms of Article 113 of J&K Civil Services Rules of 1956 and Rule 30 of J&K CCA Rules 1956. Senior Congress leader Ghulam Nabi Azad said the real jihad is to fight poverty and unemployment instead of fighting against any leader, party or religion. Addressing a public meeting here, he reiterated the demand or restoration of statehood of Jammu and Kashmir ahead of assembly elections. He said, bureaucracy has no competition from popular governance in fulfilling people's aspirations. Azad claimed that the present government was not treating everyone equally and was taking anti-people steps like removing people who had been living from their decades from their land. The US had made a mandatory for all incoming passengers, including those from India, to carry a negative COVID-19 test report or a proof of recovery from the contagion amidst rising number of cases of the new Omicron variant. The new protocol comes into effect from December 6. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention within the Department of Health and Human Services has said the amendment updates COVID-19 testing requirements for air passengers 2 years or older boarding a flight to the United States, Indian government officials informed Indian American community leaders. Actors Sara Ali Khan, Ananya Pandey and Janhvi Kapoor began their careers at almost the same time, and so fans tend to compare them to each other. Speaking about this at an event, Sara emphatically spoke about the bonds she shares with Janhvi and Ananya, saying that they are comfortable in their own skin. Sara said they are very different from each other and they are comfortable in their own skin. They are not best friends and have a different set of friends, but are connected in the past 2 years as young, ambitious girls who are starting their career to lose 2 years to COVID that brought them close. This thing even her mom would not understand. And that's all in this news bulletin. For more updates and latest news, stay tuned with the News Now web and keep watching the News Now.